Glamazons, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for the month of July. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so Boxycharm Premium, I don't even remember how much it is. I think it's $35. I'm pretty sure. I won't even getting it for how long. Oh, that's right. And this month's theme is like Anastasia Beverly Hills inspired. So, or NORVINA inspired. So I'm so excited. I actually did get to choose one item, and that's the first item. And I'm super glad I got to choose because I have almost all of these palettes. This is the NORVINA Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. I think 2 and 3 are the only ones I don't have. So this retails for $60, and oh, I'm so excited. This one had like a lot of oranges, and while I don't know why I haven't gotten this one until now. Look at all those like neon colors. Oh my gosh, this is so much more gorgeous in person than like looking at it on a website. I can't believe I haven't got this until now. Well, I mean, I guess it was meant to be because I got to get it in my Boxycharm. And you know, I kind of complain about the NORVINA palettes that a lot of them aren't very cohesive. And actually, I thought this was one of the least cohesive ones, but now that I'm looking at it up close, I think it's one of the more cohesive ones. You got a lot of like browns and oranges and corals and yellows, and yeah, I actually think that these work together. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, I have a lot of NORVINA products. I don't know what else they could give me that. Oh, I guess I do. So next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. Oh, you know what? I think I chose this one as well. And I got this in translucent. So this retails for $38. Wow, that's really big. Oh my gosh. That is super big. I don't have a loose powder here to show you compared to it, but how... This is 0.9 ounces. But okay, I'm really excited to try this. Ooh! Wow, I'm so excited about this one. Alright, next is, yes! This is the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Vegas. Okay, so this retails for $25. Let's see what Vegas looks like. Oh, I love this packaging, number one. And for Christ's sakes, sorry. Oh, it's a gorgeous gold. Oh my gosh, that's not gonna match what I have on though. Look how pretty that is. I'm just gonna put some on my Cupid's bow since it doesn't match my eye look, but that's super pretty. Yay! Okay, let's see. Next, ooh, we have the no, that's not it. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I do have one of these. It's in light brown. Okay, this is in medium brown, and it's one of my favorite brow products. This, I love the Fenty MVP Brow Definer. What else have I really been loving? I've been loving the velour one. I can't think of the name of it though. So this retails for $23. Let's add a little bit to my brows. I used the velour one today. Ooh, I love this product. Okay, and then we have, oh my gosh, this is probably like one of the best boxes I've ever gotten. We have an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in malt, which looks like a color I will never ever wear. and I am correct. This was, let me back up a little bit. This was the best box I've ever gotten until I got this. Like, really? What in my beauty profile makes you think that this would be a good choice for me? That retails for $20. And the last product is, do we get 2 of them? Okay, we get 2 dual-ended shadow brushes. Okay, it's not the same one as is in her palette. I thought it would be. Here, one side we have a shader, and this is like either a tapered crease or a pencil brush. Okay, those are really nice actually. The bristles are a lot softer than the bristles on the brushes that come in the palettes. Alright, let's add up all of this and see what the retail value is. I'm really disappointed in that liquid lipstick, but besides that, this box was awesome. And there is a coupon here. Buy one, get one 50% off at Anastasia Beverly Hills. So you use the code ABHXBOXY. So the total retail price is $182. And I mean, her products aren't that expensive. I mean, for makeup it is, if you really think about it, but compared to, I don't know, it was a lot of smaller products is basically what I'm trying to say. But they're all products, except for the lipstick, that I am definitely going to be using. So let me know did everyone get kind of the same products. I'm going to have to watch some unboxing videos. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you next time. Bye.